Finding the courage to change, learning to let go. I'm thinking of the old story about how to catch a monkey. A monkey will reach into an object to grab a treat, but he becomes trapped because he will not let go of his treat. The opening is large enough for his hand, but too small for his fist. I may also become trapped because I'm hanging on to something. However, I might not recognize the trap if my fist is formed with dysfunctional thoughts. I can feel my thoughts running in circles like an invisible trap. But because I'm caught in a thinking loop, it's hard for me to discover the release. I might even consider the idea of letting go, but it just seems so illogical. It's easier to observe this behavior in others. I could observe this pattern quite easily in my mother when she was faced with a problem. No matter what solution I might suggest, none of them would be acceptable. She was stuck, just like the monkey. It took some humility to realize that if my parent did this, I probably had this habit too. The next time that I noticed that stuck feeling, I could see that I was hanging on to a pattern of thinking. It felt scary to even consider just letting go. I had to start by letting go of small control issues and work my way up to bigger ones. I learned to tell myself everything is going to be okay. Then I could relax my tight mental grip. I could allow space for new ideas. I find the freedom I crave when I allow things to be as they are. Everything is going to be okay is my key to my mental monkey trap.